and we can't miss the murdered out LaFerrari. It's the only one I've ever seen in this spec. Black on black on black. I was gonna pull this up for a photo shoot, but didn't go as planned. Good morning, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean, this is Dreamcars Daily, and I'm in Chicago, and I have coffee. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Got a big car show today. I didn't vlog the ride in, didn't really need to. Nothing exciting happening. However, I've got to get the car out of the car park and probably do breakfast first. And then we've got some real treats today. Supposedly, there's gonna be a couple hypercars, and that's actually why I'm here. So stay tuned, we're on our way. Unfortunately, a lot of things up there I'm gonna have a difficult time filming because the music is super loud, and of course I'd get copyrighted. But one thing I can show you, twin turbo Superleggero built by B-Rogue. This thing is sick. And it's a gated manual. There's actually a woman that came in driving it.
Okay, sure.
But guys, check out this. That Elise has the craziest diffuser I've ever seen on one of these.
Skyline's cool. I did a road rally with her.
Holy crap. $395, 85, 20s. Well, they call it the Mega Raptor for a reason. Seen this car all over Instagram. It's one of the coolest, wildest wraps I've ever seen.
Oh my gosh.
the cars I was really hoping to get the chance to see today. It's a Monza sp2. I've never seen one in person before. I don't know if I ever will again. Check this out. This is freaking wild. And we can't miss the murdered out LaFerrari. It's the only one I've ever seen in this spec. Black on black on black. And I think he may have quit high school. Comment below, do you prefer the older style Liberty Walk with the rivets, or do you like these molded ones better? I'm still really partial to the older style. I was gonna pull this up for a photo shoot, but didn't go as planned. So totally by accident, I ended up parking it this way. I just wanted to pull it up for a photo shoot.
Have you had it on track yet?
Is it not messing it up?
No, it won't hurt it. These chassis are super stiff. The show is over and it's time to head back to Michigan, but before I do, it's time for food, and I thought I would try to gross everybody out. Back in Kalamazoo, and we have a problem. Yeah, that's tight. It's really difficult to get out. I generally will put the seat back to get out and give myself room to get in and out, but I think, yep, that's not gonna do anything. Just got this back from service. And we have a new problem. I have a solution, kind of. Wait here. Not a permanent solution, but something we can do with tools. That's the release. Oh, now I have to figure out how to hold a camera and move the seat. There we go. So I think if we lift... So this is under warranty, but something tells me I can fix that myself without taking it all the way to Detroit. So I guess we have a video coming up soon on how to fix a Lotus seat that shouldn't be broken with only 7,000 miles on it. Well, that was fun. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, throw me a like, pick up some merch, purekalamazoo.com/dreamcars, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.